Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to make a zigzag line. So as example, you can create line object, and to make a zigzag line, you can type line type, press enter, and the next click load. Now you can searching for the zigzag line. Okay, you can set into this option zigzag and click OK. Click OK again. Now you can select the line object and then go to the properties, click on the line type, and then you can change into zigzag line. If you want to change for scale, you can click here, line type scale. Like I will set into 3 and then press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to make zigzag line.